Charlotte with snow. In my 18 years as a Charlottean, I can probably count on one hand the number of times I've seen snow in Charlotte. But the forecasters promised Charlotte a big storm with lots of snow, possibly 8 inches. So we set out to find it. Friday night, businesses citywide had closed down and snow clouds were quickly rolling over the Charlotte skyline. Midnight, still no snow downtown. 5 a.m., still no snow downtown, just ice, lots of ice. At this point, I was disappointed. But then, at 9 a.m., the flakes began to fall. Center City, Charlotte had snow. And people came outside to play in it, even if there wasn't much yet to play in. You can tell snow is a rare thing in Charlotte. A neighborhood sledding hill quickly turns into a mud hill, but people keep sledding. Kids pile atop tubes normally used for floating on the lake to go sledding. People use leaf blowers to clear paths. Even dogs take part in all the fun. By mid-morning, the entire city was blanketed in snow. We knew it wouldn't last, and the snow was beginning to melt away by the afternoon. Personally, I hope the snow and ice will last through Monday, and maybe I will get a snow day from school.